Hi guys, welcome back to New Space. At the beginning of this month I went to Bali with my family and we rented an Airbnb, so today I'm going to do a Bali house tour. Be sure to subscribe and like if you want to see more of these kind of videos, and don't forget to answer the question of the week by clicking on the info card right here. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at the house.
First, let's take a look at the entrance hall. It doesn't have a roof, so that's why it has like this wooden floor where the water can leave. It's decorated with some wall art and also these plants that hang from the ceiling, and also these other plants that are like in vases that are in other vases. Connected to the entrance hall, we have the living room. There's a brown sofa, a wooden table, and also these two smaller blue seats. Next to that, there's this white statue from something out of Hinduism, I think. Next to the sofa, there are like these towels, there's a lamp, some wall art, and a lot of books. So this is the eating area. It has this marble table and a rug, and yeah, it has a lot of decorations. For example, the wall art, candles, some more books, statues, some chests, mirrors, and so on. The eating area and living room do actually have a ceiling, and yeah, it has some chandeliers and fans, and these fans do actually keep away the mosquitoes. So this is the kitchen. It is black and white and it just has like the regular kitchen stuff. I really like that I put like statues next to the cupboards. Next to the kitchen, there's like this little area with some decorations and a closet. There's a fridge and also a water dispenser. Next to the living room, there's this little seating area that's part of the pool. Again, there's no ceiling, it's like inside but still outside. Next to the pool, there are like these plants and trees, and the national Balinese flower grows on those trees. These flowers have an amazing smell. It has a filtration system and also these fountains. Next to the pool, there is this hallway and some pillars, and for some reason there's also a vase with umbrellas. I don't really know if we're supposed to use those or not. There's also like this little decorated section with another statue and some candles. The house has two rooms and those are almost the same, so I'm just going to go for one. They chose for this white bedding and a brown headboard, and there's like mirrors, lamps, wall art, and so on. The rooms do also have air conditioning and fans. From the bed, you can look at the pool. Last but not least, we have the bathroom. It has two sinks and this really big mirror. The biggest room has this bathtub. It's decorated with some wall art and a statue. Both rooms have a toilet. And again, it's decorated with some statues. And both rooms have a shower with this glass ceiling. It's also possible to sit in the shower if you want to. And that's it for the bathroom.
So this was the Bali house tour video. Be sure to leave all your questions in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and until the next video. There's weird things, but when you see your neighbors, oh no, more neighbors.